Hello guys, in this video, we have listed the top 5 best automatic knives on the market on our personal opinion. Owning an automatic knife or switchblade is a big responsibility, whether you're looking to add a new knife to your collection or need a heavy-duty survivalist tool. So let's get started. Number 1, Smith & Wesson SWMP4 LS 8.6-inch stainless steel. The Smith & Wesson SWMP4 LS 8.6-inch stainless steel assisted folding knife, designed by Smith & Wesson, is a well-constructed knife, designed in all black. Main feature: 1. Made from 4034 black oxide S.S. 2. Aluminum handle and rubber inlay. 3. Pocket clip, finger actuator. 4. Liner lock. 5. Safety lock. 6. Glass break. 7. Ambidextrous thumb plate. 8. Serrated blade. Number 2, Grandway spring assisted knife. Constructed from 440C stainless steel, the spring assisted knife by Grandway is one of the most affordable options available on our list. Main feature: 1. Made from 440C stainless steel. 2. Reverse and direct grip. 3. Aluminum handle. 4. Spring assisted. 5. Monostatic clip. 6. Mechanical fuse. Number 3, Gerber Mini Covered Fast Knife. Gerber is well known for their high-quality knives and survival tools, making them a popular brand for innovative and functional knives. Main feature: 1. F.A.S.T opening technology. 2. Titanium 7CR17 MOV blade. 3. Partly serrated edge. 4. G10 handle. 5. One-handed use. 6. Made from stainless steel. Number 4, Benchmade Tonto blade knife. If you're looking for an automatic knife that's never going to let you down, a knife that you'll keep forever and hand down to your kids. Main feature: 1. 154 cm stainless steel blade. 2. Valix handle. 3. Axis assist. 4. Limited lifetime warranty. 5. Life Sharp service. Number 5, SOG TIFSAT 8CP Flash. The SOG TIFSAT 8CP Flash 2 automatic knife is a lightweight and ambidextrous automatic knife, perfect for everyday carry. Main feature: 1. 3.5-inch stainless steel blade. 2. Tonto style. 3. Black titanium nitride, TNI, coating. 4. Piston lock. 5. Glass reinforced nylon handle. Thanks for watching this video.